Hi there, let's talk about our fur babies today. I'll start with basic vocabulary. Cat is kass. 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 And if there are more than one, then cats. Kassid. 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 Junior cat is called here kassipoeg. 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 Poeg means actually son, but here it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. We love our pets and therefore we have more affectionate common names for them, like Kiisu, 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 or even Kiisu-miisu, Kiisu-miisu, Kiisu-miisu. It rhymes and maybe you know, but Estonians love to sing. If you want to listen to our vintage way of singing, then search for Regi laul. Tibu or tibukene is used very often with everyone. Tibu, 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 tibukene, tibukene, tibukene. Tibu is actually a chicken baby. When comforting someone, I'll say, oh sa mu tibukene. Oh sa mu tibukene. If you want to say it longer, it goes like tibukene kabujalakene. Tibukene kabujalakene. Tibukene kabujalakene. Jalg means foot, but saying it together it has no other meaning, not that I know of. Or tupsu. 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 The longer one is tupsu nonnu. Tupsu nonnu. Tupsu nonnu. Or just cute. Nunnu. Nunnu. Or just cute. Nunnu. 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 You're so cute. Sa oled nii nunnu. Sa oled nii nunnu. Sa oled nii nunnu. Another common affectionate name is kullake. 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 And that's also for everyone, not only for pets. The list goes further, but I'll stop here. I'll explain a little bit further. Eyes are silmad. 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 Normally a cat has two eyes. Kaks silma. Kaks silma. Kaks silma. One eye would be silm. 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 That part resonates with our last topic. Blue eyes are sinised silmad. Sinised silmad. Sinised silmad. Or even helesinised silmad. Helesinised silmad. Helesinised silmad. More frequently, a cat has green eyes. Rohelised silmad. Rohelised silmad. Rohelised silmad. Some cats have brown eyes. Pruunid silmad. Pruunid silmad. Pruunid silmad. I have seen cats that have also yellowish eyes. Kollakad silmad. Kollakad silmad. Kollakad silmad. The next cutie is a nose. Nina. 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 A nose could be pink. Roosa nina. Roosa nina. Roosa nina. Or black. Must nina. Must nina. must nina. Another equipment what belongs into being a cat word are long whiskers. Vurrud, vurrud, vurrud. Whiskers grow old and fall down. If you find one of them on the floor, it's vurr, vurr, vurr. Or saying it affectionately, vurrukene, vurrukene, vurrukene. Whiskers may tickle you if the cat boss is passing close by. Kõditavad vurrud, kõditavad vurrud, kõditavad vurrud. A cat has also a mouth. Suu, suu, suu. And teeth. Hambad, hambad, hambad. And the long ones are fangs. Kihvad, kihvad, kihvad. Of course, a cat has a tongue. Keel, keel, keel. And that's not like any other softy tongue. On the contrary, it's rough. Kare keel, kare keel, kare keel. Cats have also ears. Kõrvad, kõrvad, kõrvad. Usually a cat has 2 ears. Kaks kõrva, kaks kõrva, kaks kõrva. One ear would be kõrv, kõrv, kõrv. Then those cute paws. Käpad, käpad, käpad. Usually a cat has 4 paws. 4 käppa, 4 käppa. One paw is käpp, käpp, käpp. In these lovely paws are hidden clutches. Küüned, küüned, küüned. And usually they are sharp. Teravad küüned, teravad küüned, teravad küüned. Unless you cut them shorter, lõikama lühemaks, lõikama lühemaks, lõikama lühemaks. What are you doing? I got my cat's clutches. Lõikan kassi küüsi, lõikan kassi küüsi, lõikan kassi küüsi. Today it could be extremely fluffy. Kohev saba, kohev saba, kohev saba. If we are talking about cat colors, then usually we want to know what color is the fur. Kasukas, kasukas, kasukas. It may be grey. Hall kasukas, hall kasukas, hall kasukas. It may be black. Must kasukas, must kasukas, must kasukas. Your lovely cat may be black and white. Must-valge, must-valge, must-valge. Then the cat has 2 colors and you may say, kahevärviline kass, kahevärviline kass, kahevärviline kass. Monochrome would be ühevärviline, ühevärviline, ühevärviline. The legend goes, when a cat has 3-colored fur, kolmevärviline, kolmevärviline, kolmevärviline. It's definitely a lady. Tere, minu nimi on Mustikas. olen praegu 5-aastane, mul on rohelised silmad ja kahevärviline kasukas. Armastan oma elu. Tere, minu nimi on Mirru. Olen praegu 7-aastane. Mul on sinised silmad ja hall kasukas. Ma armastan ennast. That's all for today. Aitäh! Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!